Buenas! This is Edward Jan Magcamit, born in April 5, 2000, and I currently reside in Barangay Zumbud, Zamboanga City. Let me take you to my leadership journey. My leadership journey began when I was 18. It was at the time when I started joining leadership trainings and seminars that have helped me build my character. I've learned a lot from these seminars and I get to enhance my skills in organizational management, which were essential in leadership. I was also a debater, representing Western Mindanao State University in different competitions and organizing local debate competitions to promote debate amongst Zamboangueño youth. I dedicated myself to leadership and debate that even during the pandemic, we were able to come up with online activities. Right after the quarantine season, in my last year in college, I got elected by over 7,000 students of WEMSU as their vice president. Being the vice president has given me platform to serve the students and the community in times of crisis. I have maximized my position to extend my advocacies more than just the debate and leadership. I receive awards for leadership, service, and debate which were given to me by my beloved university. Right after graduating, organizations including the city government of Zamboanga have trusted me to share my expertise as a resource speaker and a lecturer on leadership, debate, and public speaking. Today, I'm mostly doing community service in the barangay by helping the local council come up with inclusive and relevant programs for the people. The organization that I have co-founded is also part of the local Youth Development Council, and we're contributing to the youth development activities for Zamboanga. Outside LYDC, our organization pursues accessible education by doing partnership with organizations that align with that cause, such as the Angat Buhay Zamboanga. I aspire to see more leaders like me pursue this path with advocacies that are close to their hearts. I'm Edward Jan Magcamit, and I'm a young leader of Zamboanga City.